D&D Euro Lock Cylinder, tested to BS EN1303 2005 standard, 70mm Thornton cylinder, 5F solution pin tumbler system, 6-pin standard, 10-pin high security with 2 line pins, other sizes available, 30-degree offset can inhibit knot through, bathroom function. Our cylinders can be used together with Euro profile multi locks and lever handles. Suitable for door thicknesses of 44 to 48 mm. 4 regular sizes are available. Other sizes can be customized. Available in a variety of finishes. Construction key, key align, master key, grandmaster key, etc. How to decide the length of the cylinder. The illustration is shown here. We can provide a complete range of door hardware. Also provide door opening solutions suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire-rated doors. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.